Hello, my name is Gary Genovese. I attend St. Augustine's College, Pieta, year 8 class. This is my experiment. I am testing the theory if big seeds produce bigger plants. Now, I started the experiment on 17th November 2013, where I bought the pots and seeds. Then I planted them on 9 January 2014. In pot A, I planted the ester, which was 0.4 centimeters. Now, in pot B, I planted the sunflower, which was 0.8 centimeters. In pot C, the small sunflower, which was 0.5 centimeters. And last, in pot D, I planted the snapdragon, which its seed was 0.1 centimeters. Now, the first one to sprout was the sunflower, which sprouted in 19 January. It was 6 centimeters tall. A few weeks after, the snapdragon sprouted. It was about 2 centimeters. Unfortunately, pot A and pot C did not sprout. Pot A and pot C did not sprout. It could be because of the weather. In my case, the biggest seed produced the biggest plant. Thank you. I am Gary Genovese from St. Augustine's College. This is my experiment.